Today we are going to study time and distance, time and distance graph. Now, time and distance graph. On the left side, you are going to see a distance time graph show how far you travel in a given time. Now, here, which part is important? Here, this part is important. It shows how far you travel in a given time. Now let's see the graph. Here the 0 time. Okay, here we have time. This side shows time in a hour. In an hour. Now this shows the distance and each kilometer. Distance and each kilometer. Now here goes 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Goes up 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers. Now here in 1 hour, how many kilometers he went? He went, someone, okay, in the graph we are going to see. In 1 hour, went how many kilometers?
In 1 hour, 10.
10. In 2 hours?
10.
10. It means 1 hour he stayed, he waited, he didn't go anywhere. Now in 3 hours, how many?
In 3 hours, 30.
30 kilometers. In 4 hours?
40.
40 kilometers. Now here, what we have here, there is a relation between time and distance. It called speed. Now speed, it called speed. Now the speed has a relation, okay, yani the result of the relation time and distance is speed. What we are going to say here, total distance over over what? Total time.
Time taken.
Yes, or total time or time taken, no problem. Total time. Now here we are going to say this one, not only speed, this will be average speed. Okay, let's see if we can write here average speed. Average speed, total distance over total time, let's say. Or here we can cancel the total distance over time, also we can say this one. Now, how we are going to evaluate this one? Okay, we can, or how we are going to evaluate the speed. Now, in which interval, in which time we are going to evaluate the speed? Let's say the average speed of in 2 hours. The average speed of in 2 hours will be what? Okay, average speed in 2 hours, it will be what? Now what we are going to say, distance is how many kilometers? 10 kilometers. Total time will be 2. Average speed will be what here? What is the result? 10 divided by
5.
5, yes. 5 kilometers per hour it will be. It will be like this, 5 kilometers per hour. Now let's find after 4 hours, what was the average speed? Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to write
4.
average speed. Okay, the distance, how many kilometers they went, or he went? 40 kilometers.
40.
In how many hours? 4 hours. It will be what?
4.
And no, 40 divided by 4, 10.
20.
No, 40 divided by 10 kilometers per hour. Is it okay? That's why we are going to call this one average speed. Any question?
No.
No. Now let's go. We have an example in our book. In our book, example it says this one: find the average speed during the 5th and 6th hours. Yani the 5th and 6th hours of the journey. What we need to find? We need to find average speed. Average speed. Now, okay, from where? From between 5th and 6th hours. It means we need to start from hour 4. Is it true? From 4 to 6. It
Yeah.
means. Okay, it means how many hours we have? How many hours? How many hours we are going to evaluate?
3.
Oh, be careful. 1 hour and
2.
second hour, 2 hours. Okay, over 2 hours. Now, in 2 hours, how many kilometers they went? It was here and they came here. How many hours how many kilometers they went? It was
50.
200, the other one 250. How many kilometers they went?
50.
Yes, they went 50 kilometers. Now I know the distance now. I know the hour now. Then I can evaluate the average speed. It will be what? 50 over 2. The average speed what? What is the average speed?
25.
The average speed is 25 kilometer in 1 hour they did. Do you have any question?
No.
No, if you don't have question, and then I am going to say exercises 11E.
Homework.
Okay, homework. Yes, let's write it here. Okay, 11E is
E.
homework. Okay, if you don't have any question, we are going to finish today. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
See you.
See you.